Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to use the new AI camera visual intelligence in your iPhone 17. At first, you need to go straight to the settings. Here, scroll down till you see the camera, not control center, camera, and tap camera control. Scroll all the way down and make sure that launch visual intelligence present hold is enabled. Once done, you need to hold your camera button, camera control button, which is over here. And now, here, you have to take anything. For example, let it be this SIM card ejector. For you, it can be anything, even the LED light indicators in your car. Click this white shutter button to take a photo. And now, how to use it? Here, we do have Ask. If we tap it, we'll ask ChatGPT, what is this? A SIM card ejector tool is used to open the SIM card on smartphones and tablets. Is there any pointed end into the small horn near the tray releases the mechanism so that you can insert or remove the SIM card. Apart from that, we can ask for the details. And apart from that, if we take the same photo with the same thing, we can tap search over here to get results from Google, like for the products, prices, etc. It's very useful. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.